Hi everyone. In the recent days, there is more talks and more trends about this artificial intelligence technology, as well as more of the tools and websites have been released using artificial intelligence technology. Some of them are ChatGPT, Dolly 2, Point T, and many things. Here in ChatGPT, this has been developed by OpenAI. Here we can give the prompts as the text, and it will reply to us in the descriptive manner. If you ask any questions to the ChatGPT, then it will give us the answer in the descriptive way, in the step-by-step format, and this has more accuracy. And this thing is more trending nowadays all over the internet. And this has got around 1 million users in just 5 days of its launch. For example, here I have given the prompt as write a blog on iPhone 13, and this is the complete blog that the ChatGPT has given to me in a descriptive manner. And it also included everything, all the specifications, that is display, processor that has been used, and the camera, and the design, and all of the features. And also at the last it has been concluded blog. And similarly we can also get the code if we need. Here I have given the prompt as can you write me a code where we need to count how many times the word hi is repeated in the paragraph. It has given me the complete code here. I need to just copy the code and use it wherever I need. There is no need of writing the code from the starting itself. And another OpenAI tool is Dolly 2. Here, if we give the text, then it will convert the given text data into the corresponding image. For example, here I have given the text as dog as chef. So this AI tool has converted this text into the image format. That is these 4 images. Similarly, the another tool is Point T, which has been developed by again OpenAI itself. Here we will get the 3D format of the given text. That is, if we give the text as the 3D model for the headphones, then you will get this thing, the blue color headphones. And if we give the text as the spectacles, then we will get this 3D model. And if we give the text as the vase containing the flowers, then we will get this as the 3D model. And this is the AI tool known as VALL E, which is developed by Microsoft. And here it gives us the text to speech format. That is, if we give any text as the prompt, then it will convert the given text into the speech format. So we can use wherever we need it. But there are also similar and tons of AI tools which does the same thing. That is, they also convert the given text to the speech format itself. But there, they don't add the naturalness to the text. Like they will convert the text into the speech format, and we can easily find that this has been developed by AI itself. It doesn't add the feel of the human talking, like naturalness of the human talk. But here, VALL E has developed the text-to-speech synthesis, where it uses another prompt, that is the text prompt, as well as it uses another prompt, that is the sample of the human talking. If I for example, if I need to convert something into the text to the speech format, so I give the text format, and I give the sample of the audio recording of my voice. So here, this is the neural code language modeling. Here, all the complete building and the modeling and the process that takes place by the AI itself, and further then I will get the personalized speech, that is the text to speech format, and here this speech will be in the tone of my voice, that is done by the AI using my pre-recorded sample. By using this pre-recorded sample, it converts the given text to speech format, but here the speech will be more of the my tone itself, and it also adds the emotions, that how I talk and how, like if I am in anger mode, then the personal speech which have been obtained will also be in the anger mode. Similar to that, this is how VALL E has been developed its new text-to-speech synthesizer. This VALL E is a language modeling approach for text-to-speech synthesis, and here they have trained a neural codec language model using discrete codes derived from an off-the-shelf neural audio codec model. And here they have, during the pre-training stage, they have scaled up the text-to-speech training data to 60k hours of English speech, which is 100 times larger than the existing system. That in the pre-training itself, they have trained for some 60k hours of English speech itself in the pre-training itself. And here it only needs the minimum of 3 seconds of end-roll recording, that is minimum of 3 seconds of pre-recorded data, to convert the given text into the speech format, that which speech will be more of the naturalness and more familiar and more similar to the speaker's voice. This is how VALL E has been developed its text-to-speech synthesis model. There are some examples that have been obtained from VALL E AI technology. That is, they have converted the corresponding text into the speech format using VALL E technology. You can see some of the examples here below, and you can go through all of these examples for the knowledge purpose using this GitHub link. And here they have taken the LibriSpeech samples. LibriSpeech contains the corpus of data which holds more than 1000k hours of speech data. And we will go through some of the examples here. We will go to second example. And lay me down in the cold bed and leave my shining rod. This is the speaker prompt. That is the sample that has been given by the speaker.
Milked cow and tames the fire.
And this is the ground truth. Ground truth is something like if a same person speaks this text, how that would be. This is the ground truth.
And lay me down in thy cold bed and leave my shining lot.
And this is the baseline. Baseline is something like if you convert the text to the speech format without adding any emotions or without adding any tone of the person.
Then lay me down in thy cold bed and leave my shining lot.
This is the baseline. Here you can observe something like there is no emotions in it and there is no perfect tone match of the given person. But using VALL E, we can develop those things, that we can match the tone of the person and we can also add the emotions to the speech that has been obtained from the text. We will see the sample.
And lay me down in thy cold bed and leave my shining lot.
Here you can observe the tone and the emotionality that have been added to the speech format that have been obtained from the text. And you can go through all of these examples if you need. Then we will go to the another samples, UCTK samples, and we will go to second example here also. So what is the campaign about? This is the speaker prompt.
It is just a tax on employment.
This is the ground.
So what is the campaign about?
And this is the baseline.
So what is the campaign about?
You can observe here, there is no emotionality in it. Like it simply reads, and there is no any tone and any familiarity with the normal speaking. And this is the thing that has been developed by VALL E, the last thing, and we will listen to it.
So what is the campaign about?
And similarly, there are many examples here. That is, we can get the multiple samples, that is multiple speech from the single prompt that we are given. And each samples will differ in its voice and its tone itself. We will check this out by taking the second example. I must do something about it. And this is the speaker prompt that has been given.
It's all changed at Kilmarnock.
And this is the first sample that we have got from the VALL E.
I must do something about it.
And this is the second sample.
I must do something about it.
You can see the difference between the first sample and second sample. Like you can use which sample that you need. If you feel that this first sample itself is a good thing and like comfortable to you, so you can use this thing by clicking on the download button. Or else if you feel that second sample is good for and better for you, you can use this by downloading it. And VALL E can also convert the given text into the speech format by adding the speaker's emotions to the speech. That is, you will see the example here. We have to reduce the number of plastic bags. If this text would be converted to the speech format, and that speech must be contain the tone of the angerness of the person, that is the emotion as the anger. You will see the example here. VALL E, how the VALL E has been converted the given text into the anger. This is the output that has been obtained.
We have to reduce the number of plastic bags.
And we will see the second thing, that is when the person says the same thing when he is in sleepy mode.
We have to reduce the number of plastic bags.
And when he is amused.
We have to reduce the number of plastic bags.
And this is how the speech varies with the emotion of the person. And there are also many more samples here. You can check through all of this if you need. This is all about VALL E technology that has been developed by Microsoft. And there are many other artificial intelligence technology related videos, that is ChatGPT, Point E, and many other things. You can also check through them once. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell button.